Hello, my name is Blanche Pembe and I'm an actress represented by the agency RKM Estelle Langlois. I've had the opportunity to play in several visual projects, short film and feature films. One of the short films won the Audience Award at Mamersamas Festival in 2024. I'm also a dancer specialized in crump. And as a dancer, it brings me something extra to every role I play, combining bodily movements and a true emotional intensity. As a dancer, I've been part in several professional projects, such as Les Indes Galantes by Clément Cogitor. I'm a passionate artist, wants to bring a new energy to the cinema industry. I speak also three languages. I speak French, I speak English, and I have a very good foundation in Dutch.